Hello, we are discussing about GATE 1997 ECE paper, and this is 5 mark question related to electronics. Find static noise margins for a BJT inverter shown in figure. The transistor used is NPN type with the specifications as follows. Beta is given as 70, VB on 0.7 volts, VBE saturation 0.8 volts, VCE saturation 0.1 volts, RL 1 kilo ohm, RB 10 kilo ohms, and VCC as 5 volts. Okay. So first of all, we should know the noise margin. Noise margin for low level is different, and noise margin for the high level is different. We can calculate noise margin for low level as VIL minus VOL, and noise margin for high level is equal to VOH minus VIH. These are the different noise margins for low level and high level. What is meant by VIL, VOL, VOH and VIH, that we will see now first. Okay, so VOL is nothing but VOL. If you are going to say this one, normally the output will be specified low level, and that is normally we have two levels of voltages, which is nothing but high level and low level. So this is going to be low level and it is high level. So by that time VOH is nothing but VOH, that is minimum output voltage that is accepted as high level. VOH is nothing but minimum output voltage, minimum output voltage that is treated as, okay, that is valid as minimum output voltage, valid as high level, valid as high level. And similarly VOL is nothing but maximum output voltage, maximum output voltage valid as low level. Maximum output voltage is nothing but if the output voltage is greater than this one, at that time that will be comes under undefined region. Okay, so VOL is the maximum output voltage valid as low level, and VOH is nothing but minimum output voltage. If the output voltage is below this VOH, at that time again it comes into the undefined region. We have the region of voltage 0 to 5 if it is at that time. Okay, this will be called as undefined. So similarly we can write it as VIL is nothing but maximum input voltage, maximum acceptable input voltage, maximum acceptable input voltage as high level. Okay, at the same time we can write it as VIH, which is nothing but minimum acceptable input, minimum acceptable input as low level. So these are VOH minimum output voltage valid as high voltage, high level, VOL maximum output voltage valid as low level, VIL maximum acceptable input voltage as high level, VIH minimum acceptable input as low level. So we will see how to calculate these values for the given diagram. So first of all, assume that the inverter can be given with the voltages as V of 0 is nothing but 0 volts, that is low level voltage. V of 1 is nothing but VCC, which is nothing but 5 volts. We can apply. Okay. So first of all, let us assume input is going to be, you are applying first case 1. Okay, when V input is at V of 0, Okay, let us assume V input is V of 0 by that time, then transistor BJT is off. Because low level we are applying for the NPN transistor, so that BJT will be in the off condition. By that time no current flows through this collector. So whenever there is no collector current, that is nothing but IC is equal to 0. That makes V out is equal to 5 volts. This 5 volts is going to be treated as VOH, output voltage. Okay, this we are saying it as VOH. Next, similarly, second case, when V input is equal to V of 1, then BJT is on condition. Whenever BJT is on condition, current flows and the output will be equal to V out is equal to VCE saturation, which is nothing but 0.1 volt, that is nothing but VOL. Next, minimum input possible, VIL maximum. Okay, third one, VIL is nothing but, okay, maximum acceptable input. Maximum acceptable input is nothing but what can be the utmost input you can get, so that if it is just above that one, it will be going into undefined region. Otherwise you can assume that one the transistor going into on condition. So by that time this must be VBE must be VBE on, VIL is equal to VBE on, the voltage across base emitter voltage. Simply, if VIL is nothing but maximum acceptable input voltage such that the transistor is in off condition, if you apply more than that one, at that time it will comes into on condition. So we are going with the edge of on condition, just it is transition from off to on. By that time VBE must be VBE on, and the current flowing through this one, the 10 kilo ohm resistor, is nothing but IB minimum. So this is IB minimum into 10 kilo ohms. So IB minimum can be calculated as IC saturation divided by beta, where IB minimum, VB on is given, where IB minimum is equal to IC saturation divided by beta. IC saturation is nothing but VCC minus VCE saturation divided by, okay, RC. Here it is RL. Instead of RC we are writing it as RL, and by beta. So IB minimum is equal to how much you are getting. VCC is 5 volts minus VCE saturation is 0.1. 5 minus 0.1 is nothing but 4.9 by 1 kilo ohm is 4.9 milliamperes. By beta value is given as 70. So 4.9 divided by 70, IB minimum can be written as 4.9, that is nothing but 70.07 milliamperes. So the value of IB minimum is nothing but, IB minimum is 4.9 divided by 70, that is 0.7007 milliamperes. This much you will get IB minimum. From this one we can calculate VIL. VIL is equal to VBE on, which is nothing but 0.7 plus 10 kilo ohms into 0.07. 10 into 0.07 is nothing but 0.7. You will get it as, okay. So it will be equal to 0.7 into 0.7, which will be equal to 1.4 volts. IB minimum, this is VC, okay, 1.4 volts, this will be equal to. Next, fourth one is nothing but we are going to calculate VIL maximum. VIL maximum, VIL maximum is equal to, we can go for the VIH. Okay, so here we are going with next, fourth one is nothing but VIH. VIH, fourth one, VIH I sorry VIH. VIH we are going to calculate, that is minimum acceptable input voltage as high voltage. Minimum acceptable input voltage is nothing but if you apply this much voltage as input, at that time transistor should come into on condition. Okay, transistor should come into saturation. By that time minimum input voltage to make the transistor comes into on condition. On condition is nothing but here it is saturation. So this will be treated as VH is equal to VBE saturation. Now we are writing VBE saturation, previous case we have written it as VBE on. Okay, by that time transistor is coming into on condition as previous case, no need to come into saturation. So here it is on condition is nothing but it must come into saturation. VBE saturation plus IB minimum into 10 kilo ohms, that is nothing but RS value 10k. So this is 0.8 volts plus this what you are getting is nothing but 0.7. So this is going to be equal to 1.5 volts. So from these four things we can write noise margin for low level is equal to, noise margin for low level is VIL minus VOL. VIL is equal to 1.4 volts minus VOL is 0.1, that is 1.3 volts. Okay, and noise margin for high level, noise margin for high level is equal to VOH minus VIH. So VOH is nothing but 5 volts minus VIH is nothing but 1.5 volts. So that is equal to 3.5 volts. So these are the noise margin for low level and high level. Low level is 1.3 volts, high level is 3.5 volts. Thank you.